There were two things I wanted to talk to you about as we romped through superhero universe. Solving problems of public policy means getting to grips with fundamental causes. It means no compromising on technical competency. It means understanding and accepting the trade-offs that confront society. Many other policymakers have attempted to attack this problem. Thankfully, none of them have gone to the extreme that Thanos did. But there are other things that they did that might also not be as good, not be as honorable. And until we, America, all societies, build the structures so that leadership, ordinary people, those involved, those on the outside of that, get involved in that conversation, we do not trace out the right frontiers of that trade-off. And we run constantly the risk of doing the Thanos solution. What is Captain America's superhero power? None. He has no superhero power. What he has is a strong sense of justice, a strong sense of what's right and wrong. And it is that legitimacy that he exercises leadership with. It is that legitimacy that has allowed him to build trust in his leadership. Don't confuse killing for politics. Don't confuse power for leadership. Instead, it is trust and legitimacy that enables leadership to be effective.